Okay, got this Cannondale with mechanical disc brakes. Just got to get them tightened up really loose with the levers. So yeah, there's probably some cable stretch. And let's see here. Let's check the barrel adjusters. Yeah, they're pretty far out, which is not good because that metal is very soft and that can bend. So we're gonna get this, gotta loosen it. Just a 5mm yank on the cable. Just yank on that cable and tighten it up. Let's just check it out. So brake pads wore, so I gotta bring in that pad a little bit further in with a 3mm. Use a 3mm hex key. 3mm. So might have to recenter it, but I doubt it. It's a 3mm. It says it's a 3mm. Oh yeah, that's pretty far in there. Okay, so there you go. Okay, I'm gonna bring it in just a little bit. There we go. So with the, there we go. So just had to bring it in a little bit, and yep. I do house.
Good idea.
Thank you.
Yeah. Are you gonna stay here?
I'm gonna leave pretty soon because it's hot. It's getting.
I know. Yeah, just, I mean, are you gonna do it maybe for
Again?
a while?
I might.
Summer maybe.
Yeah, I might do it some more. I do house calls if you want to take a picture of that sign.
Okay.
I got my contact information on there. You just can't email me, and then we could do I could do a house call.
Oh yeah. One day, my bike went.
Oh yeah.
I keep bullets here from here until my house.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good. You gotta get it fixed before you go on the ride. Okay, so I got that.
Is there any phone number?
I don't do phone calls that much because a lot of people call me.
So just we can connect you through this app.
Yeah, well, on my website there's an email, and just email me. Email, yeah.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have a safe ride.
Oh yeah. I cannot ride the bike.
That's my sister too. She never learned how to ride a bike, so she rides the trike.
When I was little,
Yeah, same for her.
Do you like your brakes really tight?
I mean, not super tight, but
okay.
Obviously they're, no, I mean, I don't want it
Yeah.
too jumpy.
Yeah, cause I'll let you check it. Squeeze that front one, that front brake lever. Tell me how you like that. If you want it tighter, or if it's just right.
Maybe a little tighter.
A little bit tighter.
It's still, kind of coming in on that.
Okay, I can make it tighter. Yeah, that needs to be. Yeah, usually I like it a little bit like right there.
Yeah.
Right there. Okay. Yeah, I just gotta recenter that. I have to bring it in more. Yeah, I'm gonna bring it in more. When's the last time you changed the brake pads on here?
I haven't.
You haven't?
They need change.
Looks a little dirty. I would I don't know why it's all really dirty with oil right there. But I would clean it with like soap and water. Don't put degreaser on it.
Okay.
But I would recommend switching out these pads. Do you ride a lot? Oh yeah, you
kind of, yeah.
Yeah, you ride a lot. I'll get new rotors and brake pads when you can, because it's you wore. I mean, the pads are not that worn, but it's just I don't know where all this grease came from. But not too good because kind of. But it's not squeaking though. But you could probably get away with it this summer, you know, and just do it next year. Yeah, I mean, I would have you buy them and then I put them on, you know, because but if you get them, contact the manufacturer just to get the brake pads for these, and then
Would you look up, like, is it like
TRP? Yeah, it's TRP. That's the brand, and then it's that model. That's the model, and then with these, it's like 160-9. I think these are TRPs too. But these have a special measurement. But
well, like that would be the part number that you'd be ordering.
Yeah. There's a company online called Jensen USA, and I think they got good customer service. I haven't really called them before, but they'll probably help you like get the correct part. You know, the customer service reps.
I got the bike from REI, but they're a total pain in the butt for service. They want you like 2 weeks out on an appointment, and then they want to keep the bike for 2 weeks.
Oh yeah, REI is
Stupid.
popular, real popular.
It actually rides wants to leave the bike with somebody for 2 weeks.
Yeah, that's why I do what I do. You know, it's just like, yeah, I understand. I don't want
I have a couple of the bikes, but not, you know. Not that I want to ride.
Let's see. Be a little bit tighter on this. Or if you get the part from REI or something like that, or their bike shop, then they can help you get it, and then I can install it. I don't know if this is too tight, but check it out.
No, that feels good.
Feels good? Okay, cool. I'll try to keep the rear one same, or cool. Okay, so I gotta bring this. This bolt is super recessed in this brake caliper. It makes it very difficult the way they've made it. I can't get access to it like the front one, but there you go. Got it. I think I turned it in. There we go. Got it. Got it. Got it. Just a little bit tighter on this one. You use the rear one more? Yeah. Okay, so you want me to make it more tighter? Or, yeah, maybe. Yeah, that way you don't go over the handlebars. Yeah. Hit that front brake first. That's why I always make them a little bit tighter, the rear brake. Yeah. This is not an easy to adjust rear rear brake. They put it on the bottom right here.
So you had to get in.
You have to get underneath there. Usually it's on the top. I can get to the bolts, you know.
So you had to get in like here.
Yeah.
Somewhere, and then
through the spokes and past that little plastic thing. So.
Yeah, it's an odd bike.
Yeah.
Overall, the front, the fork thing. I took it to a bike shop and they didn't even know. They were like trying to turn it on both sides, like hold it over here, and it's actually just like the screw just comes out one way.
Oh yeah.
I've never seen that. But hold it on this side, and like no, it's actually just spreads out.
Yeah. Yeah, I've seen those little skewers before, those wheel skewers. Oh my gosh. Okay, yeah, I gotta bring that in more. You gotta wash your bike. It is super messy. Yeah. I got a YouTube video on how to wash your bicycle.
Okay.
Yeah. It doesn't take, you can buy, like, just get a bucket and some soap and some water, and then there's some degreaser I get from Walmart, or some specific for bicycles. It's WD-40, but it's specific for bicycles. Okay, so I think your rear's, nah, it needs to be tighter. Okay, that's not good. I'm just having trouble getting that caliper, getting that inside that bolt right there. Let me see, I got another one. Another one, I think. Let's see this. I have a thing. This one's number 3. I doubt it's in my camera. Got it. Okay. Okay, get a little bit. Good. Rubbing. Yeah, no rub. No rub on that. This might be a little too tight. I'll have you double check it if you want to. I can loosen it a little bit.
Maybe a little.
Just a little bit? Okay,
Yeah.
I got it. A little bit
Shot
loose.
myself
Yeah.
after it
Yeah, I
was
think that was a little
loose.
too loose. There you go. Okay, try that again. A little bit more.
Maybe back a little bit tighter than that.
A little bit tighter?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on one moment. Hold on.
Okay.
Go ahead. Doing micro adjustments right now.
Maybe a little tighter still.
A little tighter. Let go again.
That's probably good.
Pretty good? Okay. So he's got it set up right there. And then I'll put a little bit of air in that tire for you. But because I just feel a little low on there. Okay. What do you usually put it up at? 30,
Oh, I forget whatever.
37 psi. 37. Cool. Because that one feels good. This front one doesn't feel that good. So yeah, you're at 20 ps, a little bit over 20. Yeah. Little slow leak. I said 35, right? 35? 37? What's 37? Okay. So just under 40. There you go. Cool. There you go. You're all set. Let me just get... Cool. Let's get a good shot of this real quick. Check it out, mobile bicycle repair. Bosque Mobile Bicycle Repair.com.